What's up, guys? How you guys doing today? Today I'm about to react to Guy Pop's Firecracker on I. Hey, by me just hearing this title, bro, this just stupid and retarded, bro. Why would you want to pop a firecracker on your eye? Like, you can literally go blind. Know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just start the video, bro. I just like the video because I think he actually gonna do it. That's why I just liked it. Just to do it. Fuck it. Yeah. Let's get to it.
Hey, look.
Let's do it, dog.
Hey, look.
Hold on a second.
I don't play no motherfucking games, and I don't need an intermission.
Yeah.
They told me that I fake my motherfucking last attempt. I'll make sure this shit is alright. There we go, right there. Yeah. There we go. Hey, give me a better lighter, bro. This lighter is horrible. I want one that I can literally just put up there, boom, pop the firecracker. Got it.
That's stupid, bro. For real.
You know what I mean? Oh, no subscribers, huh?
No fuck.
Motherfuckers ain't subscribing?
Wow.
Wow, that's a bunch of bullshit.
Wow.
Stupid, bro. So good.
Screen record. It's going to fuck down right now. RDRT TV, y'all know who I am. I don't give a fuck about none of that shit, man. I think we need a couple more subscribers. Wait.
A couple more.
Yeah, because I just feel like I get tired of doing these things and people taking all my clout, you know what I mean? Still.
But he need to hurry up and do it, bro. This dude playing around.
I won't even be the one that posted. They'll post it and get the million. Like, bro, I want my own million. I want my own million.
I understand, big bro.
They're taking all my millions. I've been viral 16 times. I haven't got my million.
What?
I want my own million.
Man. Damn it.
Alright, here we go, man. I'm gonna stop fucking with y'all. I'm gonna stop fucking with y'all. I swear to God.
Hey, we do need them subscribers.
We do need them. We do need them subscribers. We do need them subscribers, though, for real.
You know what I mean? We
Hey,
need our
for real. We
Alright, bro. Come on, come on.
You at 15, baby boy. Let me see the background.
Alright. Hey, screen record. I don't give a fuck about none of that shit that people say, man. I don't.
I can't believe he actually gonna do this, bro.
Hey, y'all screen record.
Screen record and send it to me. David Gaddis. Or at RDEZYD on Twitter.
You stupid, man.
Y'all ready?
Why would he want to do this? Oh!
I got you, bro. I got you.
Oh. Chill.
Y'all ready? I got you. I got you.
Oh, one more time. One more time. Damn. Yeah, his eye fucked up out there, bro. His eye his is really effed up, bro. For real.
Y'all ready? I got you. I got
But this nigga is retarded, bro. For real, this dude is retarded, bro. Like he must be like the most dumbest person on earth. And he black, and he doing this. Usually you'll see white people doing that, and it's a black man doing this. Really, bro? Come on now. Stupid, man. Fucking retarded, bro. Now I'm about to end it right here. You know what I'm saying? Out. Peace.